Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rane and welcome to my channel, Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to make wheat pasta in fresh tomato sauce. Let us take a look at the ingredients. Tomato puree. I have blanched 2 large tomatoes, peeled the skin and put it into a blender to get the puree. 1 medium onion finely chopped for the sauce, 5 to 6 garlic cloves sliced, half a green capsicum cut into cubes, half a yellow capsicum cut into cubes, 6 to 8 button mushroom cut into 4 pieces, 2 cups of wheat pasta boiled in water with salt and oil. Retain some of the pasta water. Half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, salt as required, 2 tablespoons of oil, grated cheese as required. Let's start. In a deep pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated, add the capsicum and fry for about a minute on medium flame. Add the mushrooms and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt to capsicum and mushroom. Once they are cooked, take it out in a plate and keep aside. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and add the onions and garlic. Let it fry for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the onion changes color, let's add the tomato puree. Let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets reduced. Add salt, red chili flakes, and mixed herbs to the sauce and mix well. Let it simmer for about 1 more minute. Now add the boiled pasta along with 2 tablespoons of pasta water and fried mushroom and capsicum. Combine everything together. Add half of the grated cheese so that the cheese melts in the pasta. Once the cheese melts, your pasta is now ready. Serve hot with grated cheese on top. For the detailed written recipe, check my blog. Link is in the description box. If you liked the video, hit on the like button. Subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Do share the video with family and friends. Thank you for watching.